Caitlin, big day for you, signing with the Delta State soccer program. Just talk about the emotions right now and how excited you are. You know, you'll be continuing your soccer career after ICC.
I'm very excited. I knew once I came to a community college I was going to go play another 2 years, so going to Delta State is definitely a huge excitement.
Now, you're from the Memphis area, so Fulton a long way from home, but just talk about your time here at ICC and what it's meant to you.
ICC has been a great experience. I would never take it back. I enjoyed my 2 years at ICC. Soccer was amazing. We made it to playoffs both years, and I mean, just Coach Sullivan alone is an amazing coach.
Well, Caitlin, we've enjoyed you for 2 years, and we look forward to keeping up with you over at Delta State. Sully, big day for you in your program here. Second signee ever to sign with Delta State. Just talk about Caitlin, what she's meant to your program over the last 2 years.
Yeah, she's been fantastic for us. You know, you get to the point where you wish you could have these girls for 4 years instead of 2, but she's been a great player, a great leader for us, both on and off the field. She does fantastic in the classroom, and Delta State's getting a really fine, outstanding young woman that I know is going to do really well for them.
Well, talk about some of the things you feel like she'll be able to bring to the Delta State program.
Well, I mean, her work ethic is very, very good. I mean, she works so hard every day at everything she does, and you know, winning is really important to her. And she's a very talented and skilled player. You know, on top of all those features. So I think that I'd be surprised if she doesn't crack the starting lineup right away. And I think she's going to be a very big member of their defense next year.